Nong penya jungi karkhana dewbilat kila Mynjur ya kajing dawa jong kaseng Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MC Toda bansha nakabenta shispa arpo tili ki trok jong ki trai muluk bakin kitmar na ki karkhana hakashisngi. Ya kanila Mynjur haka jingalang kabalalong haka arpenyo trik naiwing main secretariat bala penyai da usumbut menteri rangba kajela ubak kami akatana transport ubak snga balang dhar haka jingadan lang kinong mikman jong ki trai karkhana hapo kashatri jong ka Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association GHCMA bat kilai tali ki seng truck bahakman ki bakan thop ya ka Giant Hills Truck Owners and Drivers Association GH Toda East Giant Hills Truck Owners and Transporter Association EGHTOTA bat ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MC Toda. Habakren syakilat putai kubor hadian ka jingalang ubak singa bhalang ulaong bagi trai karkhana kila Mynjur bansha nakabenta shispa arpo tali ki trok kitmar jong ki trai ri man kasngi haka ba shispa tali kin sedang no ya ka jingkit mar nadu ka arpo pra tarik naiwing bat sa arpo tali kin sedang nadu ka shitarik uno pra arjar pesan. Haka baya day bat kador baikit baiba hapdeng gijela ka sorkar jela kala yo ya jing ai jingmod na kalyang kaan ka bapen pau shai bakamla satya ban bodor na kabenta ki weipat gijela. Katkum kaan kamla banlong ya ka sorkar Meghalaya bakan bodor na kabenta ki weipat gijela ong uba snga bhalang habak daw ya jing ai jingmod bala IT da u advocate general. Ula benrap bagi dor hapdeng gijela kan long katkum ka jinglong jong ka yo kahan kat ba ka dor baikit hapo ka jela la bu ben bakan long khandai tingka shiton nakabenta 10 kilometer.
And today we had finalized both the cement plant manufacturer and from the associations, and they had agreed that they will 120 as per the demand. And immediately for 100 truck we will start from tomorrow itself, and another 20 additional, 150 in total, they will start from 1st of October, and that is from December, and that is done. And number two, that time they raised about to fix the rate for the interstate movement also. And during the last meeting, AG was present with us, and he already seeks the permission from the meeting. So okay, since the interstate rate may be not appropriate or whether appropriate, so I need to examine matter properly. And we sent it officially after the meeting itself last week to the law department for law opinion. So even that also we have received the legal opinion. So as per the legal opinion submitted by the AG, legally it was not possible for the state of Meghalaya to notify the rate for the other state. So interstate will remain as per market rate. And about the within the state, we already decided 9 rupees per ton per liter as per decided in the last meeting. That is the meeting as of today. Fine. So you see, some cement said no. Here is less, Assam is more. So even this part also we are having a meeting yesterday itself, me and the Home Minister and the White Commission Transport. After this first phase of discussion about the association transport venture, even this, so we will be calling the cement plant to discuss about the rate. It should not be in that way. Actually, what to say, they are demanding, and industry said yes, we are accepted, but not too much convenient for us. It seems not feasible, and maybe if the rate 9 rupees continue, I think even it may impact the public also. Cement price may go a little bit higher. So even that also, it seems again they will come for negotiation, both the cement manufacturer association and the transporter association against. No, we have notified today or tomorrow, and further meeting between at their level, not at the government level. Because the cement plant keep requesting them to 9 rupees is too high. So why don't you consider? And they have decided here in my presence. So they will discuss further at the level between the three associations and the cement manufacturer association. That is why you see, obviously, when we increase rate for the transporter, I think even this may hit to some extent. So that is why we request from the government, both all from the transporter association and from the association. I told them, so you may sit again from time to time and discuss. If you can reduce, it will be much better. So it seems they'll start negotiating from tomorrow itself, both sides.